amazing. It's a fantastic place to be. It's one of those buildings that as a kid I remembered seeing on the Pink Floyd album cover. I remembered seeing loads of footage through the 80s and 90s. This is the absolute heart of it, and there's nothing better than being in an environment like the control rooms. It's a joy to see, and a part of the history that nobody realises yet. It became apparent exactly what was inside here. It just took my breath away. It was something that I didn't realise had been preserved still under all of the fabric. We are reviving one of Britain's gems here. And then really it's about discovery. I mean, you can't predict anything with this old work that you're reviving because you don't know until you start uncovering what you've got. It's a bit like restoring a classic car. It's about everyone taking ownership and working together as a team so that we have that confidence to actually deliver this.